So this one, you might say, oh, the 8x cubed grows faster than this, so the limit goes to 0. And that is not totally right. The e to the x actually grows much faster, well, much more as we move out further than this does. If you think about it, so this limit's actually going to go to infinity. And the reason is that imagine doing e to the 100. That, actually I'll do it on my calculator. Alright, so what that gives me is e to the 100 is 2.68 times 10 to the 43. So that happens by multiplying e by itself over and over and over and over and over again 100 times. And that 10 to the 43 means this is a 2 followed by 43 zeros and then a decimal point. So that's a huge number. A billion would be a 1 followed by 9 zeros. So it's a whole lot bigger. Versus if I were to do, so what I'm doing is looking at the value of this expression when x is 100. So to compare that, I'm going to go and look at 8 times 100 cubed, which is what this guy is going to go to at 100. And that gives me 8 million, which, while yes, 8 million is a large number, it's nothing compared to this number. So you should see that this thing grows way faster than that one. So instead of making a whole new video for the next problem, I'm just going to use this to talk about this one, which is the next problem on your study guide. So it's basically this fraction flipped without the 8. So if you think about it, if this guy won against that guy and made the limit go to infinity as x went to infinity, then by putting this guy in the bottom, that means the bottom's going to win. And at this point, you should understand that if the bottom grows significantly faster than the top, then this fraction is going to go to 0. So what I get for this limit is that it goes to 0, and that's because this guy, which is going to be that guy, as I let x get really big, and 100 is not even really big compared to the scale of getting to infinity, going to infinity. So if I compare that to this, then this is just going to totally destroy the top. So that makes that limit go to 0.